What's the meaning of about? About. 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 The word about has many meanings, but some of the most common are approximately, used to indicate a number or amount that is close to but not exactly correct. For example, the meeting will start about 10 a.m. Concerning, used to indicate that something is related to or has to do with a particular topic. For example, I'm writing a paper about the history of the Civil War. Surrounding, used to indicate that something is located on all sides of something else. For example, the house was surrounded by trees. In the vicinity of, used to indicate that something is located near a particular place. For example, there's a good restaurant about a mile from here. On the point of, used to indicate that something is about to happen. For example, I'm about to leave for work. Briefly, the meaning of about can be described as a word that can be used to indicate a number of different things, such as approximation, concern, surrounding, vicinity, and point of occurrence.